Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to open your Namecheap email account. But before that, I want to let you know that you can access my free Namecheap course within my university. Inside this course, you will learn a lot of things, including how to get started with Namecheap, how to manage your website and also email account, how to also manage your domain name and optimize performance inside Namecheap. Plus, you'll get access to my other available courses and also my upcoming ones. To join my university for free today, just go to university.bensexperience.com. Without any further ado, let's start with this video. There are two ways to open your Namecheap email. The first one is from cPanel, and the second one, it will be a shortcut that I just learned about. Let's start with the cPanel way. Go to cPanel. Inside cPanel, look for email, and under it, click on email accounts. Next to your email address, click on check email. Click on open. And this is how to open Namecheap email. The second method I want you to learn about is you type your domain name and you add /webmail like that. As you can see, cPanel is connecting. Enter your email address, then your password. To avoid seeing this page when you try to open your Namecheap email, make sure to check this little option, then click on Open. And this is my quickest way to open Namecheap email. If you learned something out of this video, make sure to give it a like and make sure to subscribe. Thank you.